Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign in to complete purchase on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that you just have to sign in to complete the purchase on your iPhone, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open general, then go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then open screen time, and here you have to disable all restrictions from here. Once you have done, you just have to go back and then tap on your Apple ID, and here you just have to try to sign out with your Apple ID. And once you have signed out, you have to sign in again, and then you have to reopen your App Store and then tap on your Apple ID again, and here you just have to select the sign out option, then re-sign in using your account. So it will almost fix your issue, or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple Support. Open the first website, and here select your device, and then you just have to look for the option of Get Support. So select that option, tap on the Start Now in the Get Support section, and here you just have to look for the option of More here, so you just have to select that one, and once you have selected More, you will get this type screen. Select App Store from here, and then select Continue option, and here you just have to wait for the loading, and then you will get some fixes here, but you have to select the Get More Help, then select Call Us, and here you will get a contact number of your Apple support team. Whenever you want to talk with them, you just have to call this number, and once you have called, you have to discuss about your issue there, and you will get official help from your Apple support. So in this way you can easily fix it, how to fix sign in to complete purchase on any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.